I love playing with neon colors. I'm so excited to do another neon flip. Ah! Hello everyone and welcome back to Sara's Abstract Expressions. My name is Sara and today, if you haven't figured it out, playing with all my neon colors. I did get a couple more while I was out. I will get you set up and we will get started. So, another 11 by 14 canvas. I'm going to just stick it out of the way. I'm going to add it to 3 of my 6 colors. So the colors I will be using today are Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Red. I'm gonna add silicone to the fluorescent red. I'm gonna add it to the Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Blue. I'm gonna add it to the fluorescent primaries. So, Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Yellow. And yeah, so yellow, red, blue. Also be using Liquitex Basics in fluorescent. Oh, come on. Fluorescent green. Artist's Loft Neon Pink. And Liquitex Basics in fluorescent orange. Shoot. Okay, fine, be that way. Just not winning. You're getting silicone everywhere. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm wearing my pajama pants. It's actually super late. I don't know why I filmed super late, but it's like what, 2:20 to 3 in the morning. I don't know. I sleep out backwards and I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. Tomorrow as in the day after I film this. That's what I meant? Like tomorrow morning? I guess today, now? Yeah. Nah. Okay, so I do want to add my Reotech Carbon Black, if I can get it open at some point. Yeah. Where to start? Guess I'll start with green. Now I'll go blue, pink, red, orange, yellow. Add black. It's like a dividing layer, almost. Yeah. Drip it off the back too. Okay. All right. Yeah. Do it again, I guess. A little bit of green. Do it a little bit different this time. Go pink. Yellow. Ooh, stomach, stop. Orange. Oh boy. Blue. Red. Wow, that's a lot of paint. And I love doing that with my black because it just like sends it all the way through and it makes it so cool. I'm getting black like everywhere. Ah! I just have stuff everywhere. Oh boy. Okay. I'm getting there slowly, I think. Okay. Canvas. I have so much paint. I'm gonna have to run a lot off of this. So, Artist Loft Titanium White. I mixed it with Floetrol in this container just to make my life a lot easier. I went out and got more white today because, well, I know it's needed, as you can tell. I also found my bigger palette knife. I got knocked off the table somehow. Oh well. I'm gonna push it all in first and then I'll drag it back out. Just so I get a good, like, seal around the cup almost. As you can tell, my white paint is a lot thinner. I like it having thinner white paint as a base because it just makes the paint flow a lot nicer. Also, I don't think I really... No, my ugly pour isn't dry yet, so I can't show it to you. Lesson learned, cannot use ugly colors and make a nice painting from it. The harsh reality of things. Like, I tried! But, it seems that I can use, like, maybe a ugly color once in a pour, but that seems to be about it. Like, I know fall and outdoorsiness and all that is coming, but... That's all I can really do nowadays, eh? Go hang outside. Woo! That was wild. Whoa, now I'm throwing paint. Okay. Painting things I shouldn't be now. Okay. Yeah. I'll go and... I need to put on gloves before I tilt this. What am I doing? Lisa has a chance to be like, and gloop out all at once and do what it wants for now. It's actually kind of neat. Makes me want to torch it first, but I don't want to destroy yellow pattern. Because, like, I like this bottom part so far. This is going to be so bright and so pretty. Ooh. Yeah, go that way with it. I know a lot of it's just kind of hidden right now. Like, I can only see this getting better. This looks so neat so far. It looks like a trippy galaxy thing going on. Wow. Okay. I know I didn't get this top corner, so I'm just going to take some of this from down here, I guess. Trying to get my corners because I didn't really want to go this time for some reason. Alright. There we go. Wow. I haven't even torched it yet. I'm excited. The minute I hit it with heat, it was just like... How cool. I'm not afraid now with the torches, you can tell. Okay. How cool. Holy squee. Yay. Oh! And I hope it stays this vibrant when it dries. And I painted a stick. Cool. I will get you down for a close-up because dang, this is cool. I'm in love with how this turned out. My friend Paige actually asked me to make this one for her boyfriend, and I'm jealous because this is my, I love neons and this is so cool to me. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all next time.